Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Wondering how you can break free from the cycle and create a stream of income that offers both flexibility and profitability? Well, look no further. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of reselling, a lucrative venture that's booming in 2024. But what exactly is reselling, and how can you make it work for you? Stick around as we uncover the secrets to success in this exciting entrepreneurial journey. Let's get started. The Reselling Revolution. What you need to know. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the reselling revolution? Picture this. You find a vintage jacket at a thrift store for a steal, and with a few clicks, it's sold for triple the price online. That's the magic of reselling. It's not just about making money, it's about transforming everyday finds into profitable treasures. But before you dive in, there are a few things you need to know. Reselling requires a keen eye for value, a knack for negotiation, and a willingness to hustle. From scouring flea markets to navigating online marketplaces, reselling is both an art and a science. So if you're ready to turn your passion for hunting down hidden gems into a lucrative side hustle or full-time gig, then buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime. Finding your niche, the key to success. In the vast landscape of reselling, finding your niche is akin to discovering a hidden treasure trove. By narrowing your focus to a specific market segment or product category, you can carve out a unique space for yourself in the competitive marketplace. Whether it's vintage clothing, electronics, or handmade crafts, identifying your niche allows you to cater to a targeted audience with specialized needs and preferences. This not only sets you apart from the crowd, but also fosters customer loyalty and repeat business. So, take the time to explore different niches, conduct market research, and listen to your instincts. Finding the perfect niche could be the key to unlocking untold success in your reselling journey. The hunt for treasure, sourcing suppliers. Embarking on the hunt for suppliers is an exhilarating yet essential aspect of the reselling journey. From scouring online marketplaces to exploring local thrift stores, the quest for quality inventory is akin to searching for buried treasure. With diligence and strategic planning, you can unearth suppliers who offer not only competitive prices, but also reliability and consistency in product quality. Diversifying your sources ensures resilience in the face of market fluctuations and supply chain disruptions. Whether you're tapping into wholesale distributors, liquidation sales, or even establishing direct relationships with manufacturers, the key lies in building a robust network of suppliers that meets your business needs. So, don your explorer's hat and set forth on the thrilling adventure of sourcing suppliers to fuel your reselling success. Building your empire, setting up shop. Now that you've secured your treasure trove of inventory, it's time to establish your online presence and set up shop. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a newcomer to the world of e-commerce, creating a compelling online store is essential for success in reselling. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy provide user-friendly tools to design and customize your storefront to reflect your brand identity. Alternatively, leveraging established marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon offers access to a vast customer base from day one. Focus on creating a visually appealing and intuitive shopping experience for your customers, complete with high-quality product images and detailed descriptions. Remember, your online store is more than just a platform. It's the gateway to your reselling empire. So, roll up your sleeves and embark on the exciting journey of building your digital storefront from the ground up. Pricing strategies? Finding the sweet spot. Determining the right price for your products is a delicate balancing act that can make or break your reselling business. Your pricing strategy should take into account factors such as product value, market demand, competitor pricing, and your own profit margins. Aim to strike a balance between competitiveness and profitability, ensuring that your prices are attractive to customers while still allowing you to make a healthy profit. Conduct market research to understand pricing trends and customer preferences, and be willing to adjust your prices accordingly. Consider offering discounts or promotions to incentivize purchases and stimulate sales. By continuously evaluating and refining your pricing strategy, you can find the sweet spot that maximizes revenue and keeps your customers coming back for more. Marketing mastery, spreading the word. In the crowded marketplace of reselling, effective marketing is your ticket to standing out from the competition and attracting eager buyers. Leverage the power of digital marketing channels such as social media, email newsletters, and search engine optimization, SEO, to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your online store. Engage with potential customers by creating compelling content that showcases your products and highlights their unique selling points. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to expand your reach and build credibility. Don't forget the importance of branding. Ensure consistency across all your marketing materials to create a cohesive and memorable experience for your audience. By mastering the art of marketing, you can amplify your reselling business and position yourself for long-term success in the dynamic world of e-commerce. The customer experience, going above and beyond. In the realm of reselling, exceptional customer service is the cornerstone of success. Make it your mission to go above and beyond to delight your customers at every touchpoint of their journey. Provide prompt and personalized responses to inquiries and concerns, showing your dedication to their satisfaction. Offer flexible return policies and hassle-free exchanges to instill confidence in their purchases. Consider implementing loyalty programs or special perks to reward repeat customers and foster loyalty. Remember, happy customers are not only likely to return for future purchases, but also to spread positive word-of-mouth recommendations to their friends and family. By prioritizing the customer experience and making it a top priority, you can build a loyal following and set your reselling business apart from the competition. Analytics and optimization, fine-tuning your strategy. In the ever-evolving landscape of reselling, data-driven decision-making is paramount to staying ahead of the curve. Utilize analytics tools to gain insights into your business performance, from sales trends and customer behavior to inventory turnover rates and website traffic. By regularly analyzing these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and optimization within your reselling strategy. Adjust your pricing, product selection, and marketing efforts based on real-time data, ensuring that you're always meeting the changing demands of your audience. Experiment with different strategies and monitor their impact closely to determine what works best for your business. Additionally, stay informed about industry trends and market developments to anticipate future shifts and adapt proactively. With a keen eye on analytics and continuous optimization, you can fine-tune your reselling strategy for sustained growth and profitability in the competitive e-commerce landscape. In the fast-paced world of 2024, reselling emerges as a beacon of opportunity. With determination and savvy strategies, you can turn your passion for flipping goods into a thriving business venture. So seize the moment, embrace the challenge, and embark on the journey to financial independence through reselling. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and business success. Until next time, happy reselling.